We're having our engagement party at our house, and here's everything that we got for it so far. Pretty much everything is from Amazon, so I'll make sure to link everything on my Amazon storefront. The first thing we got was this wide easel to hold our welcome sign, which we're gonna have in our entryway. And since custom welcome signs cost an absolute fortune, we decided that we're gonna DIY it, so we got this 40 by 60 acrylic sheet. We made our design on Canva, and I'm gonna do a separate video on how we're gonna DIY it, so if you're interested, make sure to follow me. We're not hiring a photographer for the party, but I still wanted us and our guests to have somewhere where we can take nice photos for the night and make some memories. So I ordered a set of these 3 arches, some wet covers, and a bunch of balloons to make a balloon arch. And I'm also gonna get some flowers and kind of pull them in between the balloons for some color. While we're talking about balloons, I feel like I might have went a little overboard. I got 200 of these, which we're gonna fill up with helium and have them cover the entire ceiling of our house. I got some of these very cute love heart ones. Also got some that say happy engagement, and a couple more with confetti. In terms of table setup, we got this beautiful table skirt, and we also got some bar tables. With these ones, you can adjust the height, which is super handy. This is the vibe that we're going for with those tables. So we ordered some tablecloths, and I ordered a bunch of these cylinders from IKEA, but instead of floating candles, I think we're gonna do flowers. I also got some of these 3-tier cake stands just for the cookies and the food that we've ordered. I think it will look really nice. Got some champagne buckets since we're gonna have an open bar, and this very cute macaroon stand, which says take a treat. Also got this gold shelf, which I'm gonna have filled with glasses of champagne so people can grab a glass as they walk into the main space. I really want to get proper champagne glasses, but with the amount of people that we have coming, it just didn't really make sense, so we ordered these plastic ones instead. And honestly, I feel like in photos you probably wouldn't be able to tell a difference anyways. And lastly, we got some disposable cameras to put on each of the bar tables. I think it's just a really kind of fun interactive activity for the guests, and it will make great memories. So this is everything that we got so far. I feel like everything is finally coming to life. We are getting some things delivered, and it's really kind of easier to imagine how it's going to look on the day. So yeah, stay tuned for all the DIYs and more videos on how we're gonna decorate for our engagement party.